And let's do spoonfuls of unflavored gelatin.
Yeah, so good.
1,
Let them describe the whole video.
2,
3. 3.
then now we should put some 4 spoonfuls of unflavored.
I can do it.
Are you sure?
Oh my god. I think we
Spoonfuls of flavored. Now let's mixing. Of sugar. Now let's do mixy again. Mix.
2 hours later.
You're never gonna finish.
Yeah, never again. Wait, I have an idea. We should use our power of super mixy. Mixy Wixy, come up to me. Say the magic words with me. Mixy Wixy. Mixy Wixy. Mixy Wixy. Mixy Wixy. Now we put butter and sugar in our peep molds. And we will put our marshmallow batter in our molds. Let's put them. Ta-da! Now we can put them in the freezer for 40 minutes. Bye-bye. See you in 40 minutes. We're gonna do this. We're gonna get a powdered sugar and do this so we can take it out easily.
My turn.
Let's flip it. 3, 2, 1. I got the flea. Huh? Oh!
I'm not a pro.
It's little layoff ate almost as oh my goodness. Why did we eat so? Hi guys. So we're back from 20 minutes. Now let's try it.
Okay.
But let's try only the ears, because that's the small part. Perfecto. Perfecto.
Perfecto.
Tell me in the comments if you want to make these, and make sure like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.